Welcome. Let's ask Dr. Paru. What is IV drip therapy?
IV drip therapy is introducing vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients through an IV drip into your bloodstream directly. So, the benefit is that you get faster, efficacious, and direct supply of these nutrients into your bloodstream as compared to any kind of oral supplementation.
Is IV drip safe to be used?
Yes, IV drip therapy, of course, if it is done under medical supervision, is absolutely a safe treatment. IV has to be customized according to the weight of the person, and if done properly under a medical supervision, it is absolutely safe. Yes, I know why this question is coming, because many a times I've seen in weddings people are taking IV in mass. I would not really advocate that, because sometimes it can react and we need to monitor you for about good 30 to 40 minutes every session when you are under our care. So please do not do it in any public space. It's a injectable procedure. We are putting something into your vein. You need to be under our observation.
So, how long does therapy session takes?
So every session roughly around 30 minutes to an hour, depending upon what infusion we are putting into.
How soon I get to see the benefits?
So if we are doing it actually for nutrition or maybe energy, you can see even in a single session post the IV drip. But if you're doing it for glow, we advocate about 4 to 6 sessions, sometimes even 8 to 10 sessions are needed, maybe 10 days apart or 15 days apart.
Which all indications can I take IV drips?
So IV can be given for multiple indications, including brightening of the skin, improving your skin immunity. We also give it for detox. We give it for anti-aging. We give it in fat loss as well. At the same time, even for hair health and for people who cannot really digest the oral supplements, IV really work well for hair loss, hair thinning, and hair regrowth as well. So yes, multiple indications, including the aesthetics of brightening to recharging, supplementation, anti-aging, hair health, and of course fat loss also. So I hope this answers a lot of your queries about IV drips. Well, they're absolutely safe, and when done at Skin Ace Clinic, we do IVs at utmost care. So all these indications are covered with all the IV sets available at Skin Ace Clinic, and you can always visit or DM us for any other queries regarding IV drips.